Hello friends, welcome back to the Truly Quizzes, your go-to place for fun brain challenges. Guess the word using emojis. You have 10 seconds for each question. Score 1 point for every correct answer and comment your score at the end. Let's begin. Black and board. Can you connect it? Boom! It's a blackboard. Blue and bird. What's flying here? Got it? It's a bluebird. Cup and board. Think about your kitchen. That's a cupboard. Day and light. Nice and bright. It's daylight. Dead and line. This one's tricky. The answer is deadline. Door and step. Right at the entrance. It's a doorstep. Down and fall. What happens next? That's a downfall. Ear and ache. Not a good feeling. It's an earache. If you're still watching, don't forget to like, comment your score, and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Earth and quake. Feel the shake. That's an earthquake. Eye and brow. Look closely. It's an eyebrow. Eye and lash. Blink and think. It's an eyelash. Fire and fly. Glowing at night. That's a firefly. Fire and wood. Keep it burning. It's firewood. Fish and bowl. Swimming around. That's a fish bowl. Flower and pot. Growing nicely. It's a flower pot. Gate and keeper. Guarding the way. That's a gatekeeper. Gold and fish. Shiny and small. It's a goldfish. Grass and hopper. Jumping high. That's a grasshopper. Green and house. Full of plants. It's a greenhouse. Hair and band. Tie it up. That's a hairband. Hair and dryer. Getting ready. It's a hair dryer. Hand and shake. Greeting time. That's a handshake. Hand and writing. Put it on paper. It's handwriting. Heart and beat. Feel the rhythm. That's a heartbeat. Honey and bee. Sweet and buzzing. It's a honeybee. Horse and power. Strong and fast. That's horsepower. House and boat floating home. It's a houseboat. Ice and bird, cold and huge. That's an iceberg. Ice and cream, sweet treat. It's ice cream. Jelly and fish, wiggly swimmer. That's a jellyfish. Key and hole, unlock it. It's a keyhole. Life and boat, saving lives. That's a lifeboat. Life and line. Stay connected. It's a lifeline. Lip and stick make up time. That's a lipstick. Lock and down. Everything closed. It's a lockdown. Market and place, where people shop. That's a marketplace. Moon and rise. Look up. It's moonrise. Moon and walk. Famous move. That's a moonwalk. Mother and board. Computer brain. It's a motherboard. Neck and lace. Wear it proudly. That's a necklace.